Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
What are we learning today?
Ke o re ba.
Oh, we're learning how to say I, he, she. We're learning about pronouns. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
So, the pronoun for you is wena.
Wena.
And the pronoun for I is nna.
Na.
The pronoun for she is yena.
Yena.
And the pronoun for he is also yena.
Yena.
The pronoun for they is bona.
Bona.
And the pronoun for we is rena.
Rena.
Now let's use these pronouns in sentences. Abuti, how do you say I speak?
Na ke a bolela blah 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 blah.
Now how do you say he speaks?
Yena o a bolela.
And how do you say she speaks?
Yena o a bolela.
Blah, 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 blah.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. Yena is the pronoun for he and she. And wena is the pronoun for you. But we can also use the word o for he, she, and you. Are you confused? Let me explain some more. What is the pronoun for you?
Wena.
That's right, wena. How do we say you speak in Sepedi?
O a bolela.
That's right. So we say wena or a bolela. But we can take away this wena and just say o a bolela. And the same thing happens with he speaks and she speaks. We can say yena o a bolela, or we can just say o a bolela. Now let's build some sentences in Sepedi. You speak.
Wena o a bolela.
Blah 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 blah.
They speak.
Bona ba a bolela.
We speak.
Rena re a bolela.
And now you can use these pronouns in sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Blah 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 blah.